Hi, in this video, I want to show you how to install Heatup 3 on your Windows computer. First, you need to download the software. You can do this through your user account or by downloading the demo version directly from the official website. Click Download for Windows and open the file once it is finished downloading. When the installer opens, click Install. Here, you can choose the plugin locations. Usually, you don't want to change this unless you need a very specific setup, so just click Next. On the following screen, you will see the destination path for the standalone app. You can also decide if you want to create a desktop shortcut here. Once you are ready, click Next again. Now for the instrument library. Here, you choose the download path for the 22 GB library. If you are okay with the default destination, simply click Install. The installer will download all the necessary files and install the core data before starting on the library files. Once the core data and plugin files are set up, the installer will start copying the library files into the path you selected. The cool thing is, at this point, you can already start using Heatup 3. You can let the download continue in the background, and any presets that have already been downloaded are immediately ready for you to use. Heatup will always run in demo mode at first. If you own a license, you can activate your copy on the settings page. Click Heatup 3 Activation and log in with your user credentials from initialaudio.com. Click Log In. If you see the message saying Login Successful, you can click Activate this computer. Once you see the confirmation that Heatup was successfully activated, you can close that page. Heatup is now fully activated while the installer is still downloading the rest of the library in the background. Have some patience, give it its time, and once the download is done, you can go crazy and make some bangers. Have a great day!